Is America's retirement system on the brink of collapse? In this training, we're diving into the harsh realities of the current retirement landscape in the United States. From inadequate savings to rising healthcare costs, we're exploring the challenges facing Americans as they approach their golden years. Are accounts like 401ks, 403bs, and IRAs enough to secure a comfortable retirement? Or are there systemic flaws that need to be addressed? Watch now as we examine the state of retirement in America and what it means for your financial future. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more informative content. Hello and welcome to the Confident Wealth Solution, where we deliver proven strategies that help you confidently create, expand, and manage your wealth. My name is Karen Kitt. I am a retired teacher with over 13 years of experience in the financial services industry. Today, I'm going to break down the real issues with America's retirement system and share some eye-opening solutions that can help you secure your future. You might want to rewatch this training when you're done so you can plan for your future with confidence. The topic of retirement readiness is one that's near and dear to many of us. We all dream of living comfortably in our golden years, free from financial stress and worry. But the reality is, America's retirement system is facing some serious challenges that threaten to derail our plans for a happy retirement. That's why it's so important for us to understand how the system works. By understanding these challenges, we can make more informed decisions about our retirement planning and better prepare ourselves for a secure financial future. So, let's take a closer look at America's retirement system and explore the challenges that are facing it today. When it comes to understanding the history and origins of retirement planning in the United States, the three-legged stool is a concept you should be familiar with. For decades, this metaphor shaped retirement planning. Here's how it worked. The first leg of the retirement planning stool is Social Security. This was your government-backed, guaranteed income stream. The second leg of the retirement planning stool, private pensions, offered by employers to provide a steady paycheck for employees in retirement. And the third leg of the retirement planning stool, personal savings and investments produced by your own efforts to build a nest egg through accounts like 401ks, 403bs, IRAs, or other investment vehicles. The idea? All three legs supported you in retirement. If one leg was weak, the stool would wobble or even collapse. The problem today is that the stool is looking shaky or downright broken. Let's examine each leg of the stool briefly. First, there's Social Security, which provides a guaranteed income stream in retirement. The program is funded through payroll taxes and is adjusted for inflation each year. Social Security is a critical component of America's retirement system, providing a safety net for millions of Americans. Studies have shown that a significant portion of Americans are not saving enough, and many are relying on Social Security as their sole source of income. Historically, Social Security was not designed to function as a sole source of funding for retirees. And while still a critical resource, the long-term solvency of Social Security is a concern. Estimates state by 2034, Social Security may only pay 80% of promised benefits unless Congress acts. Next, there's the second leg, pension plans. Pension plans were once a staple of American retirement, offered by employers to provide a safety paycheck in retirement. Employees could rely on a defined benefit, a guaranteed income stream in retirement. These have largely disappeared in the private sector. Only about 15% of workers now have access to a pension plan. Then there's the third leg, personal savings and investments. Your own efforts to build a nest egg through accounts like 401ks, 403bs, IRAs, or other investment vehicles. This leg is under intense pressure. According to a recent report, the average 401k balance for Americans aged 55 to 64 is just $89,000. That's far short of what's needed for a comfortable retirement. Why is this happening? Wages have struggled to keep up with inflation, making it harder for families to save. Rising healthcare costs are eating into retirement funds, and many Americans lack financial education to maximize their savings and investments. In today's examination of the three-legged stool approach to America's retirement system, we learned that each key component has its benefits and drawbacks. Social Security provides a guaranteed income stream, but it's facing financial challenges. 401ks, 403bs, and traditional IRAs allow us to save for retirement on a tax-free basis, but they can be volatile and subject to market fluctuations. And finally, pension plans provide a guaranteed income stream, but they are becoming increasingly rare. While we are blessed with freedom and opportunity, it's clear that the system is broken. The good news is, by understanding the challenges facing America's retirement system and taking proactive steps to secure our financial future, we can ensure a happy and fulfilling retirement and create a brighter future for ourselves and our loved ones. If you're feeling uncertain or overwhelmed, you don't have to stay that way. At the Confident Wealth Solution, we're here to help. Use the link below and schedule a free consultation. Together, we can build the confidence you need to create the wealthy retirement you deserve. Thank you for watching.